everybody, I'm gonna do my makeup today. Oh, okay. Well, this is the new one. The Bare Minerals Bare Skin Pure Bright Serum Foundation. You always have to shake it well to get started. The color is Honey Bear 15. Shake, 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 shake. I always like to do the squiggly and then just rub it in. What did I say this color was? This is actually Bare Maple 17. This other one was Bare Maple 15. Are these the same color? I don't even know. Because if this is the same color as that, I could have continued using the other one. Okay, so I used to never change up my Bare Minerals makeup, but I know I purchased stuff in advance. And so yeah, this is Bare Maple 17. The one I've been using was Bare Honey 15. And then I also have been using Bare Almond 16, which Bare Almond like matches my skin perfectly. But this Bare Maple 17 actually matches now that I've gotten a tan for the summer, so pretty cool. At least I'm assuming it's matching. Unless I'm tripping, but it looks like it matches pretty well. On to the next thing. Okay, normally what I would do when I was using Bare, what was that? Bare Maple? The lighter one. Oh man. I think it was. Okay, when I was using Bare Honey 15, I would use my Shea Moisture's Mocha, and I would lightly just go over my face. But since this color is darker, I'm probably just gonna go over super fast. Like really nothing. Make it more matted. In my head, that made a difference, but maybe not. On to the next thing. Let's see. Now I'm gonna use my sample of Honeybee Gardens Complexion Blush. I believe it's Trust. I threw the packaging away. But Honeybee Gardens is organic, natural. And the thing about their blush, it's super pigmented, so if you put too much on your brush, yeah, it's gonna be way too much. So I barely had anything left, which is great. So yeah, on to the next thing. The last thing I just did was my eyebrows. I just used the little, I don't even know what this is called, the eyelashes brush. I use it for my eyebrows. And I spray some of the facial spray like that. And then I just wipe over my eyebrows to make sure they're straight. and that if I had any makeup foundation on them, I would wipe it off so my eyebrows will look like their normal color and not like something else. That's literally all I do to my eyebrows. So on to the next thing. I'm just gonna do mascara, and I'm just gonna time lapse it so you'll see. Okay, I used 3 different mascaras. Bare Minerals Flawless Definition, that was first. Then I used Tarte Lifted was second. And then the Tarteist, there's no mascara in here. I just technically just used the brush to kind of separate my lashes. And lastly, I used number 7 Exceptional Definition Nutrient Enriched Mascara. So those are the 3 I used, and like I told you, this is empty. I just used the brush to flare my eyelashes out. Next, I'm gonna do eyeliner on my bottom lid. Okay, and so for my eyeliner, I use Bare Minerals, of course, Lasting Line Absolute Black, and that's on my lower lid. Now I'm just gonna set my face. And this is not Tarte. I put another setting spray inside, which was rose water, the Heritage Store rose petals. So that's what is inside of here, because I like the way this bottle missed the spray out. So now I'm just gonna do lip gloss and use the Anastasia, what color is this? Fudge. And I'm gonna use it like a liner. And then go in with Yes to Carrots cooling lip oil on the inside. And that's it. Now I just gotta take my hair down. Okay, so now I just took down my rubber bands. Gotta fluff it out. Off the bottom half. Ooh, sexy. And that's it. Ugh. I'm not gonna do like a real defined part, just have it, I guess, messy, I don't know, or natural looking. So that's it for my look today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.